Hello, good morning. Let's wait for 2 minutes and then we can start with our session. Okay, sorry, I was speaking on mute. Okay, let's start with our session. So maybe some people are absent because maybe they don't know that today we have class. Okay, those whoever missed, maybe they can get the recording and they can go through that. Fine. So we'll see. We'll just go through the loops concepts. Okay, so I'm audible, right, everyone? Okay. See, now I don't have any internet issues for sure, 100%. So if someone is having, it's definitely internet issue from their end. Okay. So today is what? Thursday. Mm, Okay. So can you guys raise your hands? How many of you are available in Hyderabad? How many of you come for lab? Just raise your hands on Saturday so that we can plan one lab session. 3 for five. Okay. So can we plan for so tomorrow I will inform the timings. My 7:30 batch is also there, right? So we'll also check with them. So I want both the people should come to our lab. So so when you're if you come there, so I mean, so anyway, so we will have some lab session. Just I will be there, so I will help you guys in terms of any compilation errors or something. Anyway, I will support you guys whenever you are sending a screenshot. I'm trying to help you guys, right? So whoever is sending, I'm trying to help them. So similarly, but so like some monthly once or something, I will come to that lab so that maybe if someone have issues or something, so that they can Sanjay, you are unable to hear me still. Okay, okay. Okay, so that's what. So I mean, it's not like other people cannot come or something. It's not like that. But so at least whoever is available in this Hyderabad, Amirpeta, somewhere in Hyderabad, so that they can come for lab. So that I will be there for some time, not more time or something. Maybe 2 hours, 3 hours. I will help you guys if anyone have issues. Even my other students will also come, like 7:30 to 9 batch and all. So they will also practice and they will also help you guys because they already completed their C sharp. That's why. Okay. So if that is fine, so some more people, maybe some almost some 10 people did not join. So once they join, so tomorrow I will tell the timings also. Okay. Okay. So in real time, there is some situations like, so we need to execute some block of code, or some piece of code for multiple times. Okay. So in that case, we will go for loops concepts in our C sharp. So here we have different types of loops are they available in C sharp. One is while loop, do while loop, and one more is what, for loop. Okay. So first we will discuss about while loop. So everyone is having this book, right? Everyone, anyone is not having? So everyone join that WhatsApp group. Anyone is missing? So just if someone message in chat so that I will understand. Okay. So I hope everyone is there and I hope everyone is having this book. Okay. Fine. What, Rashma, what happened? So Rashma, almost we created 10 days back. Okay. So you have my number. Rashma, you have my number. So if you message me, then I will send you the link and you can join there. So you have my book then? You don't have?
No, sir.
You don't have book also?
Mm-hmm.
Everyone is having, Rashma. So you are not asking me also. So you are joining daily classes also.
I'm joining, sir.
But I think so. Everyone joined and I shared the link. So you have WhatsApp, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So just ping me hi so that I will just share. Anyone
Oh,
else? Anyone else? Okay, so only one, no problem. Okay, Rashma, you can send me a message so that I will add you in the group. Okay, fine. So we have different types of loops. We have while loop, do while loop, and for loop. While loop. So while loop. The syntax for while loop is first one. First step is initialization. Okay, here initialization will happen. After that, while condition. Okay, some statement will execute. After that, increment or decrement will happen. Okay. So for example, do you people know what is increment decrement? So for example, if you keep like I plus plus, that means how many of you know I plus plus? Do you people know? Saujanya. So madam, you are in group or not?
No, sir.
So you joined recently or
No, sir. I have joined that division.
but why Saujanya you're not there not there in that group? So everyone is having the notes. I shared almost 10 days back. Yes or no, guys? Ankit. Everyone is having Saujanya, so fine. So we'll add you in that group. Why I'm asking to join group? So see, um, sometimes the updates will be I can send for example, if there is no class, then I can post in that group so that everyone can know at a time. So if there are some if there is something urgent or important or something, so if I post in that group, then everyone, if I share that book, so it will be difficult for me to share everyone individually, but if I share in that group, everyone can take it. So first thing,
Sir, I'm sending him a number. Please
madam,
add.
you don't need to send here. You can delete, you can just you can delete that. I don't know how to delete. So you ping me in WhatsApp. I will add you. I will send you that group link, and I will send you the book also.
Okay.
Okay. Fine. So anyone else? If anyone else is missing in that group, please let me know. Okay. Fine. Fine. So now coming to, okay. Fine. I can unmute yourself. So here, what will happen? Um, Increment or decrement. So how many don't know what is I plus increment, decrement, I plus plus? Tell me so that I will explain them clearly. So everyone knows. No, how many of you don't know? Just ping so that I will explain them. Very good. So Suresh, okay, Swapna, Niladri. Okay. So okay, good. Anyway, I will explain. But so who I don't know. If some people don't know, then we'll focus more. That's it. So I plus plus means increment the value by 1. I equal to I plus 1. That's it. For example, I equal to 0. Then what will happen? Tell me someone. I equal to, what is the I value? 0 plus 1. Now, what is the I value now? 1. So now I want to do I plus plus again. So then what will happen? I equal to I plus 1. Okay. So that means equals to, what is the I value? 1 plus increment by 1. That is why I value is 2 now. So now again I want to increment. So now what should we do? So now I plus plus again I'm doing. So that means I equal to I plus 1. So that means what is the I value here? 2. 2 plus 1 equal to 3. So now what if I want to do I plus plus again? So what is the I value? 3 plus 1 equal to 4. So like that. So is that clear now? Those 4 or 5 people? Sneha? Everyone clear? Okay, good. So see, so now the syntax for while loop is initialization. First we need to initialize some value. After that we need to check the condition here. Okay, so we need to check the condition here. Okay, Neeladri, we don't require plus plus I, post increment, pre increment. So here this is fine. So so here we'll check the condition. After that statement will execute. After that increment and decrement will happen. So I will show you small example. After that I will explain in Notepad how it is. Okay. I'll just take this example only. So these are all important only. While loop, do while loop, everything. Okay. So what I'm trying to do here is initialization. What is the first step here? Initialization. So here already we have value, right? So we have given already value. That's why we don't need to convert. Here what we are doing, condition. Okay. So so now see what will happen now. So if you want to print up to 10, okay. So now see what is the syntax for while loop? First initialization, after that what condition, after that statements, and then finally increment and decrement will happen. Okay, so people see here. Now I will just see how that will work. Initially, what is the I value? I equal to 1. Okay, now what will happen? 1 less than 10. Is that condition true or false? So is it true? Okay, that is true. So now what we will do? So now next step, what is that next step? I less than 10 condition true. Now what is that? Console.writeLine, we need to print the which value? I value. So now output will be 1 will be printed. Now after that what will happen? I plus plus. That means I equal to 1 plus 1, that equal to 2. Okay, now tell me, now what is the next step again? Condition. Okay, now what will happen? 2 less than 10. Is that condition true? Condition true. Now what will happen? It will print the output. So what's the output now? 2. Now again I plus plus. What is I plus plus now? What is the I value? I equal to I plus 1. 2 plus 1 equal to 3. Now tell me, is 3 less than less than 10? Yes or no? Will be 3. Now what will happen here? 3 plus 1 equal to 4. 4 less than 10. Is that true? It will print. So on. So on. Now what will happen? 8 less than 10. Okay. Condition true. It will print. Now 9 less than 10. Now it will print 9 also. Now finally 10 less than 10. Is this true or false? False. Okay, it will terminate the loop. So now what happened? See, we are checking the condition for multiple times. A block of statements we are checking for multiple times. So until the condition fails, that loop will execute, and after that, so it will come out of the loop. That's what while loop. Any questions now, guys? Okay, good. So now just we'll see few more programs now. Just up to the syntax, note down from loops to the syntax. Okay, so no problem. Guys, done with the if people done. So if you are done, then we'll move to program. Okay, just note down this program, and I can show you the output. Let's see. So we got the output, right? So I have explained something about while loop, and after that loops concept, and then we started the program.
Ay, kamu
Hello, hello, hello.
Yeah, so what? Tell me.
సార్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఏదైనా చెప్పింది మీరు ఫస్ట్ స్టార్టింగ్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఇదేనా?
Yeah, this is the first program.
ఓకే ఓకే ఓకే.
So done with this one program. Okay, we'll see a few more programs. The same program, if you want to go with decrement. Good catch, Raj. Correct. See, guys, so you should ask me doubts after 10 and night up to 8 o'clock only. So I cannot reply in between. I will explain, Balaji. So you will get the error. Okay. So see here, int I equal to 9. Initially, initialization is done. After that, I greater than 0. I minus minus. So so see here now, coming to explanation here. What is the first step? Initialization. So what is I equal to what? 9. Okay. Now I greater than 0. That means what is the I value? 9 greater than 0. Condition true or false? True. So what will happen? It will print I value. What is the I value? 9. So now I minus minus. What is I minus minus? I equal to I minus 1. Okay. So what is I equal to? What is I value? 9. 9 minus 1 equal to what? 8. So similarly, now it will print the value. Okay. So now again, 8 greater than 0, condition true. Okay. Now again, 7 greater than 0, condition true. 3 greater than 0, condition true. Now what is the I value? I equal to 3 minus 1, that is 2. Okay. Now again, what is I value now? 2, it will decrement by 1 again. I minus 2 minus 1 equal to what? 1. Now after that, 1 minus 1. Okay. Now what is the I value? 0. Now check the condition. 0 greater than 0. True or false? So condition will fail here and it will come out of the loop. Okay. Just check the output. Got it? So any questions? Anyone don't understand? Oh shit. So are you guys clear? Any questions? Or can I explain one more time? Am I speaking and mute? What? No one is responding and no one is understanding. Okay. So then everyone is clear. Just so we are doing just initially previously we done I plus plus. Now what we are doing? We are doing decrement. So previously we are adding one value to I. Now we are removing. I mean we are doing the subtraction one from the original value. That's it. Just note down the program. So are you guys done? Okay. So we'll move to do while loop. Okay. So there is one difference between while and do while. We'll tell that. So see, initialization will happen here. Okay. So that is clear. But what will happen like, so after initialization, immediately it will print the statement. After that, increment and decrement will happen. After that, what will happen? It will check the condition. Okay. So people see here, first initialization will happen. So after that, it immediately it will print the statements. Increment, decrement will happen. Now it will check the condition. If the condition is true, it will come here to execute. Otherwise, it don't print the statements. So the difference between while and do while is, in while loop, first it will check the condition and after that it will execute the statements. But in do while, first it will execute the statement, after that it will check the condition. Okay, got it everyone? So I will show you the example. So what I will do, so where to write this code, simply will copy. So I want everyone to join by 6 o'clock. So I'm every day joining by 6 o'clock. I'm waiting for you guys for 4 or 5 minutes. So it's not good. So I want everyone should join by 6 o'clock, please. My request. Okay, Akash. So guys, see here what we will do. We will enter 11. So now tell me. So is 11 less than 10? Is this condition true or false? Is this condition true or false? See, 11 is bigger or 10 is bigger? That is false. But what will happen in do while loop? Just tell me. First, it will execute the statement here. After that, increment or decrement will happen. After that, it will check the condition. Okay. Now, what is the output here? What is the output now? Only 11. People see here. So see, actually condition is failed, but still it is printing the 11. The reason for that is in while loop, first it will execute the statement. After that, it will check the condition. So now the same thing I will do in while loop. We'll see what will happen. Okay, now what we will do? Oh,
কি কপি আছে আরে আসুন কি কপি আছে আসলে দেখি রং করছি কোন আসলে
everyone please go on mute. Okay, so see here. Now what will happen here? I equal to 11. So now tell me what will happen here? 11 less than 10. Is this true or false? False. Now what is the output here? Nothing. Okay, why? Because in the first step only here we are checking the condition. Let's see. See, we are not getting any output here. So what is the difference between while loop and do while loop now? Tell me. Tell me. In while loop, first it will check the condition. After that, it will execute. In do while, first it will execute the statement. After that, it will print the statements. Okay. Okay, just note down this syntax. Keep do while and just take this syntax. Okay. So someone asked the doubt in the group, and the answer for that is this one only. Manikanta, I hope you got the I hope you got the answer now. See, when we will go for while and when we will go for do while is, so Harshini, so if we don't know exact range, then we will go for while loop. But if we know some range, then we'll go for do while. Okay. But anyway, so see, we never print like this. I mean, so always we will do like this only. Okay. So I was just trying to prove that's why I have given that. Like, but you need to write the program like this one. So this one only. So Suhashini, what happened? See, based upon not always one. So Ashni, based upon the project requirements, they will keep. Okay. So those who are missing in the group, just ping me so that I will add you in that WhatsApp group. Those who are not having book also ping me. I will share that book. Okay. Any more questions? Okay. So we'll move to for loop. Just I will give 5 minutes over you. So you don't know my number also. Are you there in group? Suresh? You're there in the group. So, and guys, just note this one. Just note down this note also. Okay, done. Okay, from here to here also note down. I will explain. So guys, everyone clear with this while loop and do while loop? Any questions? So for loop is also one of the most important concept in C sharp. Why? Because so in real time we'll use all the loopings, but for loop is the most important.
ଆରେ ସେଠି ଗୋଟେ ପ୍ୟାଣ୍ଟ ସେଇ ଥୋଇଚୁଟି ଆଣିନୁ ଆ ସେଠି ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ପ୍ୟାଣ୍ଟ ଅଛି ଯା 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 ସେ ଚେୟାର ପାଖରେ ଚେୟାର ପାଖରେ ପ୍ୟାଣ୍ଟ
Susri, can you please go on mute?
ତଳେ 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 ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ପ୍ୟାଣ୍ଟ ଦେଖି ତଳକୁ ନଉନୁ ହଁ ସେଇଟା
Susri, can you please go on mute?
ଜନ୍ମ ଜୀବନ ଖାଇବ ନା ହାରାମି ଯଦି ଛୁଆ ବାର ଜୀବନ ଖାଉଛି
Okay, we will move to for loop. Just I will give some 2 minutes introduction. Tomorrow I will explain from beginning. Okay, just 2 minutes introduction. Okay, so people see here in while loop what we are doing. First step, what is the first step? Initialization, right? So what is the second step? After that, it will check the condition. If the condition is true, then it will print the statements. Okay. After printing the statement, again increment or decrement will happen. It will check the condition again. If the condition is true, then it will execute. Okay, so in while loop or do while loop, we are doing three in different statements. Okay, but our for loop is like initialization, increment, decrement, and condition all will happen in one line. So that is what the difference between this for loop and while loop, do while loop. So what is happened there in our previous example? So see here initialization, here increment or decrement, here the condition is happening. But in our for loop, it's not like that. So we'll do all the things at one place only. That's what for loop. So the syntax for loop is this one. So here first initialization will happen. Okay, after that the condition will happen, and finally increment and decrement will happen. So guys, so we have some steps are there. With 8 steps with examples I will clear tomorrow, and we'll see minimum 5 to 7 programs or 10 programs on for loop. So for loop is one of the most important concept in at basic level. Okay, so don't miss the class, and see if you people are missing, if you people are not joining by 6 o'clock sharp. See, when we started our class, some 25, 27, 28 people are there now, but that got extended to 36 now. So we have 50 people in our class. So I just seen the group and 50 people are there in that group. If I add this 3, that means 50 people should join. So okay, some people bought the videos and some people will join based upon their availability. But what happened to other guys? Why you people are not joining properly? So I want all the 50 people should join the class, so that then only we'll understand. So recording you can get it, but so the presence is important. Sometimes we people may not understand what I was teaching by seeing the recording. So that's why I recommend you guys to join the class daily without fail, and please join by 6 o'clock sharp. Siva, you are you are late maybe for 10-15 minutes, that is fine. But everyone is not joining, so the other 36 people, they did not join by 6 o'clock sharp. You and I think Akash, you people joined late, but other people should join by 6 o'clock, right? So so that's my sincere request to you guys. So please join by 6 o'clock so that I can start the class, and I can teach one more extra program. So that's what. So if you are wasting your time, if I am wasting, or if you are wasting for 5-6 minutes, we can have some good program, right? That's why. Okay. So from tomorrow onwards, please don't do that. Okay. Fine. Thanks sir, for joining. Just practice those programs, and I will inform you guys for tomorrow's lab time. So whoever is available in Hyderabad, you people can come for lab. If it is fine, or if you are free or something on Saturday, mostly I will keep. Okay. So other people, if someone is from other locations, no problem. So anyway, I have, you have my WhatsApp number, so or you have my number. You people can call me and I will help. Okay. So okay, fine. Thanks for joining. We'll meet tomorrow.